you actually think that not taking care of yourself, not doing self-care practices, also the guidelines that we have been following during Corona, like wearing mask, using sanitizers, using practices which actually helps you to make distance from the other person also in crowded area? Yes, today in this video we will be knowing about why it is yet important and how people are maybe somewhere ignoring that fact. Guys, this is Rukmini and you are watching me on my channel, which is Suffer with Rukmini Sharma. And today in this video we will be knowing about, that yet we have so many things that we have to look at, because if at all you are at home or if at all you are planning to travel somewhere, then what are the things that you have to make sure that you are following and you are taking care of? So let's quickly get into the video and get to know those. First thing, if at all you are at home, then you have to make sure that you are following a self-care routine time to time. Also a hygiene practice that one person should follow in daily routine. Now moving ahead and talking about, if you're a person who has to go out when it is necessary or who is going out when it is actually very, very important, then for you it is also a very important thing that whenever you come to the home, you have to make sure that you are washing your hands, you're washing your face and then legs, and then only you're going ahead and touching the other stuff which are there at your house. Also you are interacting with other person within the house. And also it is very important when you're stepping out from the house, then you have to carry your mask with you, your sanitizer, and the stuff that you bring to the home, the food items or any vegetables. You have to make sure that you guys are washing it before you use it. So that's the point to be taken care when you are not really planning to travel anywhere. And if at all you guys are planning to travel anywhere, since we all were in lockdown and we all were in our respective homes for so long times, because reason was lockdown, and now every individual is planning to travel some or the other places. So now in this situation, it is equally our responsibility that we still follow all those guidelines, and we do carry our mask, our sanitizers, our all safety precaution things with us. And also you have to make sure that whatever things that you are eating anywhere, or even you are drinking any water, you have to be very, very careful about that. You do check them, you do make sure that you're not drinking anything like anywhere. You have to be very precise what you're eating during your traveling, what you're drinking. And I would suggest that please carry your own water with you, your as much as possible your own food also with you, and only eat those places where you feel okay, this place is safe to eat or to drink. Moving ahead and talking about those people, or for those people who are actually stepping out because they have started working from office, and also they have started traveling on daily basis from public transports like buses, like trains or rickshaws. So it is equally important, guys, that you all take care of yourselves and also the people who are around you. Please do make sure that you guys are following basic guidelines, like you make sure that you carry your handkerchief with you. Whenever you're sneezing or you're coughing, you do use your handkerchief and you cover your mouth. You have your sanitizer with you. You make sure that you do not eat anything while traveling wherever you get places like in trains, in buses. So avoid doing that as well. It is while traveling we are taking care of the precautions. And also once you have reached to the office, there also you make sure that you do your basic touch up, you wash your hands, your face, and you keep your sanitizers along with you, and then only you go to your desk or respective seats. When you come back to home, the first priority should be that you keep your bags aside, or first thing you go and get yourself fresh, and then only you come and then start having other stuff or start following your normal routine. They cannot ignore of the consequences if anyone will be affected by any of the viruses. I will not only comment for corona, but yes, there could be any other viruses which we even do not aware of, and that person might get affected of, because there are so many diseases that we have seen that happens because of the viruses, or because of the viral or viral infections that happen. So these are the very very basic guidelines that one person should follow. Guys, these are the points that we have to be careful about as an individual. That note, guys, I would like to sign out, and I will see you soon in the next video. And till then, please make sure that you guys are taking care of yourselves and taking care of the people who love you and the people who actually want to be with you always. Found this video really helpful and informative, do make sure that you are sharing it with your kids, the people who are in the house, and the people who are actually stepping out for any XYZ reasons, also with your friends and family, or the people you actually care about.